thermodynamics of a soul on a quest. Outside the walls, the winner is a beast, a howling gale from the north and the east. Conformity breeds a freezing gray haze, demanding you vanish in the collective maze. Silent lightning, a pulse in the vein, sever the roots and succumb to the rain. Quiet hours bring the paralyzing frost, whispering alone, telling you that you're lost. But we are the branches and he is the vine, an invincible summer by a grand design, grafted to the furnace of grace burning bright, defying the physics of the worldly night. Stoke the fire, feel the spirit rise, push back the wind from your blazing eyes. We are the furnace, we are the light, burning eternal through the frozen night. What is the measure of a spirit grown tall? A stubborn refusal to stumble or fall. When the ice bites hard and the elements scream, you draw from the sap of a life-giving stream. It's the conscious regulation, the sacred control, holding the heat in the depth of the soul. Independence is alive at the cold winds sail, but in the dependence the miracles dwell. The crowd demands you forfeit the flame, the blizzard is calling your secret name, but you retreat inward where the sanctuary glows against